What if everything you thought you knew about travel was wrong? What if the compromise you have always accepted between mobility and luxury was never actually necessary? What if there was a vehicle that removed that compromise entirely and replaced it with something so far beyond what you expected that the moment you saw it you could not go back to thinking about travel the same way ever again? That vehicle exists. And it is the 2026 Scania Double Decker Motorhome. The exterior design stops everything around it the moment it appears. This is not a motorhome that blends into traffic. This is a motorhome that makes traffic irrelevant by comparison. The double-decker profile rises above every other vehicle on any road it travels with a commanding and completely unapologetic presence that communicates one thing from every angle. This machine is in a different category from everything else you have ever seen on wheels. The body is finished in a striking high-gloss exterior treatment that enhances the already imposing double-decker silhouette. The long, streamlined body integrates large panoramic windows stretching across both levels simultaneously, flooding the interior with natural light while giving the exterior a modern architectural quality that feels closer to a building than a vehicle. At the front, Scania's design language is aggressive and refined in equal measure, with a sculpted grille, chrome accent detailing, and sharp LED lighting signatures creating a front face of genuine road presence and visual authority. The rear section carries clean integrated lines, carefully placed storage compartments, an upper-level access ladder, and lighting elements that make this vehicle as visually striking at night as it is in full daylight. The dimensions of this vehicle demand attention before anything else about it is discussed. Approximately 15 meters in length, 4.5 meters in height, 2.5 meters in width. These are not motorhome dimensions. These are architectural dimensions. The kind of numbers that describe a building rather than a vehicle. And yet this structure moves. It travels on public roads. It goes where you want it to go, and it takes everything inside it with it. The sheer scale of what has been engineered here is the first thing that makes this concept genuinely extraordinary, and the first thing that triggers the question every person asks when they see it. For the first time, how is this possible? The technology inside this motorhome answers that question by raising an entirely new one, because the level of technological integration here goes far beyond what any conventional motorhome has ever attempted. The cockpit is fully modern, with digital instrument clusters, a large infotainment display, and intuitive controls giving the driver complete command over navigation, climate, vehicle diagnostics, and all onboard systems from a single driver-focused interface. Everything is positioned for ease of use during long journeys without ever requiring the driver to take their attention from the road. But the technology does not stop at the cockpit. Beyond the driver's area, the living space integrates smart home systems allowing complete control of lighting, temperature, and onboard appliances through centralized controls or full mobile device integration. Every system talks to every other system. Every adjustment is seamless. Every preference is remembered. This is not a vehicle with technology added to it. This is a technology platform that happens to also be a motorhome. Connectivity extends beyond the smart home integration into a complete onboard communications environment. Wi-Fi throughout every zone of both levels. Full multimedia systems. Satellite support maintaining connectivity in locations completely beyond cellular coverage. The ability to remain connected, entertained, and productive regardless of where the vehicle is parked or traveling. For the person who cannot afford to be disconnected from their work or their world, this motorhome removes the last remaining argument against full-time travel as a genuine lifestyle choice. You do not have to choose between being connected and being free. This vehicle proves that those two things are not in conflict. The performance beneath the exterior is where Scania's engineering legacy becomes the foundation everything else is built on. This motorhome is built on a heavy-duty truck platform, the same engineering base that Scania has refined across decades of operating in the most demanding commercial vehicle environments on every continent. The high-torque diesel engine produces between 400 and 500 horsepower, delivering that power smoothly and consistently in a way that makes long-distance travel feel genuinely effortless, even when the vehicle is carrying its full laden weight across extended highway distances. The suspension system is designed specifically to absorb road imperfections while maintaining the stability and control that a vehicle of this height and mass demands at all times. The multi-axle configuration distributes the vehicle's considerable weight across multiple points of contact with the road surface, improving handling, braking performance, and overall stability in a way that a single or dual axle configuration simply cannot achieve at this vehicle's scale. Modern steering assistance systems and driver aids make this enormous vehicle surprisingly manageable to operate, reducing driver fatigue significantly and building the kind of confidence behind the wheel that allows long journeys to feel sustainable rather than exhausting. And then you step inside, and everything changes. The interior of the 2026 Scania Double Decker Motorhome does not feel like a vehicle interior. It feels like a room. The main living area welcomes you with plush, L-shaped sofas in a clean and elegant color palette that creates an atmosphere of genuine calm and invitation, ambient LED lighting at every level, a large entertainment screen providing a genuinely cinematic viewing experience for relaxed evenings. The open layout enhances the sense of space in a way that makes the physical dimensions of the interior feel larger than they actually are. This is interior design thinking applied to a motorhome with a level of sophistication that the motorhome category has never previously seen. The kitchen flows seamlessly from the living area without any sense of transition or compromise in quality. A stylish island anchors the kitchen space, an induction cooktop flush into the surface, a built-in oven, a microwave, premium cabinetry with thoughtful and genuinely intelligent storage solutions that make practical use of every available surface and cubic centimeter of available space. This kitchen is equipped for both short trips and extended stays without any functional compromise in either direction. It is the kitchen of a well-designed residential property that happens to travel with you. The bedroom offers a serene retreat that competes directly with the finest hotel rooms in any city in the world. A spacious hotel-style bed with soft textures, layered pillows, and integrated lighting designed specifically to promote relaxation and restful sleep. This is not a bed that has been fitted into a vehicle. This is a sleeping environment that has been designed around the human need for genuine rest and then housed within a vehicle. The distinction matters because you feel it the moment you lie down. Safety in the 2026 Scania Double Decker Motorhome is not a feature list. It is a philosophy that runs through every engineering decision made in this vehicle's development. Adaptive cruise control maintaining safe following distance automatically. Lane keeping assist preventing unintended drift. Collision avoidance systems detecting potential impact risks before the driver can react. Emergency autonomous braking, activating independently if the system determines a collision is imminent. Multiple camera views providing full visibility around the complete perimeter of the vehicle at all times. These systems work together continuously and invisibly to support the driver and reduce risk on every road in every condition. The reinforced structure combined with advanced braking and stability systems ensures that both driver and every passenger are protected under the most demanding conditions the vehicle is ever likely to face. The financial considerations of owning this vehicle are substantial and deserve complete honesty from the outset. Beyond the initial purchase price, the ongoing costs include insurance reflecting the vehicle's size and value, regular maintenance following commercial vehicle service schedules and cost structures, fuel consumption reflecting a heavy-duty diesel powertrain under load, and storage when the vehicle is not in active use. These costs are real and they are significant, but they exist in the context of a vehicle that provides a lifestyle that has no equivalent in any other product category at any price point. You are not buying a vehicle. You are buying a way of living that is available nowhere else. The buying process begins with direct engagement with luxury motorhome builders or specialist dealers who offer fully customizable configurations. Every buyer works through a detailed specification process covering interior layout, material and finish selections, technology integration, and any additional equipment packages required. Financing options may be available through institutions catering to high-value vehicle purchases. Optional upgrades include solar power systems, enhanced connectivity packages, premium interior finish upgrades, and personalized design elements. The total cost of ownership also encompasses campsite fees, periodic servicing, and potential upgrades over the vehicle's operational life. Pricing for the 2026 Scania Double Decker Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury segment, with estimated figures ranging from approximately $800,000 to over $1.5 million depending on specification depth and customization level. This is not a number for everyone. It is a number for a specific kind of buyer who has made the decision that the experience this vehicle provides is worth exactly what it costs. And for that buyer, the unique selling point of this motorhome is simple and complete. Nothing else provides what this provides. The double-decker layout creates a living environment that feels more like a modern apartment than a vehicle. The combination of Scania's commercial-grade engineering, premium materials throughout, advanced technology integration, and genuinely sophisticated interior design delivers durability, comfort, and long-term value that no single-level motorhome concept at any price can match. This is not travel. This is a different definition of how a life can be lived. And once you understand what this vehicle actually is, every other option available to you will feel permanently and irreversibly insufficient.